All right, sweet faces, we are continuing through our multiplication. We are specifically looking at mixed practice. So in these pages, we are going back and forth between multiplying by two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers. So make sure that you're careful when you're looking at your work. So this is going to be our traditional multiplication practice, and I will film this again as box. I want you to use the strategy that works best for you. So let's begin. If I'm stacking these, I start with 21 and 51. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Place saving 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. I stack and add. I get 1, 7, 0, 1. 1071 is my first answer. Remember, if at any point you want to rewatch or pause, please do so. 8 times 7 is 56. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 add 5 is 53. My answer is 536. Remember, I'm multiplying by a one-digit number, which means that I only have one row for this one. Next one is 83 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 8 is 48. Add 1 is 49. Multiplying by a one-digit number, which means I have one row. My final answer is 498. Down here, multiplying by 22 times 42. Two-digit number, which means I'm going to have two rows. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Place saving 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Stack and add. 4, 12, 9. 924. 54 times 50. Again, if at any point you need to rewatch or pause, please do so. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. I've done my crisscross. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Add 2 is 27. This row is all zeros, which means my answer is 2,700. When I add anything to 0, it doesn't change my value. Last one for this page is 76 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. Add 1 is 22. 228, again, one digit, one row. That's the end of page 1. I'm going to keep moving and grooving, but feel free to stop if you need to. All right, loves, page 2, starting out with 22 times 3. One digit, one row. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Same fact. Our answer for this one is 66. 55 times 35 is our next one. Two digits, two rows. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry my 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Add 2 is 27. Place saving 0. Done with that. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Add 1 is 16. Stack and add. 5, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. 1,925. 43 times 49, two digits, two rows. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Add 2 is 38. Place saving 0. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Add 1 is 17. Stack and add. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Add 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,107. Next one digit, one row. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 1 is, or I'm sorry, add 3 is 13. 130. 38 times 2, one digit, one row. 2 times 8 is 16. I carry. 2 times 3 is 6. Add 1 is 7. 76 is my answer. And then this last one for this page, two digits, two rows. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 3 is 21. Place saving 0. Crisscross. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Add 1 is 7. Add them up. 6, 3, 9. 936 is the last answer for our second page. Feel free to stop and rewatch if it is helpful to you. On to page number 3, 1 digit, 1 row. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 1 is 19. 198. 25 times 35. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 2 is 12. Space saving 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 1 is 7. We add 5, 7, 8. 875. Next one is 59 times 20. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Space saving 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 5 is 10. Add 1 is 11. All zeros, which means our answer is below 1,180. 41 times 6. Got a double line going there. All right. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 246. 1 digit, 1 row. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 35. Add 2 is 37. 74 times 5 is 370. 23 times 68, 2 digits, 2 rows. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. Add 2 is 18. Space saving 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12. Add 1 is 13. We have a 4, a 16, a 5, and a 1. 1,564. 2 more pages. Almost there. This is page number 4. 1 digit, 1 row. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 5 is 25. Add 4 is 29. 295. 23 times 38 is our next one. 2 digits, 2 rows. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. Add 2 is 18. Space saving 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Stack and add. We have 4, 17, and 8. 874. 13 times 33, 2 digits, 2 rows. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Space saving 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. We add 9, 12, 4, 429. 23 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 69 is our answer for this one. 84 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 times 7 is 56. Add 2 is 58. 84 times 7 gives me 588. Last one for page number 4 is 48 times 62. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Add 1 is 9. Space saving 0. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24. Add 4 is 28. We add, we have a 6, 17, 9, and 2, 2,976. And on to our final page of the week. Again, if you're not here yet, go ahead and pause. But if you're ready, here we go. 77 times 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. Add 3 is 38. 385. 18 times 41. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Space saving 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 1 is 4, add 3 is 7. We have an 8, a 3, and a 7. 738 is the answer for that one. 42 times 28. 2 digits, 2 rows. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 4 is 32. Add 1 is 33. Space saving 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. We add 6, 7, 11. 1,176. 34 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Add 1 is 10. 34 times 3 is 102. 2 more love bugs. 46 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. Add 2 is 18. 184. And our last one for this week is 11 times 53. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Space saving 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Stack and add. We have a 3, an 8, and a 5. 583. That brings us to the end of our traditional video for this week. If you'd like to see the box, please switch videos. Otherwise, have an amazing weekend.